Cat 316 here today. Going to do another model unboxing. So, this one's from 3000 Toys, and this is actually good. This came off of plowing and doing plowing cleanup. You're gonna have to throw it on my back, but I still was stubborn enough to go run a loader for a while. But yeah, this is from 3000 Toys. So yeah, let's do this quick because my battery's dying, and I'll do a model review on it later. Of course, 3000 Toys receipt. Card and stuff from God. Oh, it's a box and a box. Okay. Yeah, that works. Box and a box and a box. There. Now, here it is. The main model. Looks real good. Looks like a nice heavy piece. Well, it looks like it's got some pretty good detail to it. It's a New Holland 3-piece, of course. And it's also a Kobelco too. So, I guess they're both joined together. It's made by Motor Art. And also over here, we have something else here. I love a box in a box though. Of course, more packing peanuts. But also, the 3000 Toys mug with a bunch of styrofoam in it, of course. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed this. Like I said, this is going to be a real nice piece when I start doing my new dials. Let's see if Motor Art is just as strong as the older Norscots and stuff like that. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, rate, whatever. So there will be a model review of this soon, and also of the Hitachi rock truck, which everyone does have. So I don't know if I'll actually really seriously do that, but yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed. All right, talk to you guys later.